You got mustard in your hair.
Yeah.
Tyler, this is going online. You look retarded.
Gosh,
Yeah, dude, we drank so much. Tyler, how drunk are you?
on a level of what?
From 1 to 10.
72.
Archie looks like a fucking bald ass motherfucker. Yeah, we can record 13 minutes of this shit.
Do we have 13 minutes of our life left, dude? Stove.
You guys want to get smoke a cigarette?
I got moo-moo.
Yeah, I'm trying to look into the camera lens.
I'm trying to sit up straight.
Look at me, can't even sit still. Yo, how do you feel about Archie being drunk?
Hmm?
How do you feel about Archie being drunk?
It's straight, nigga.
Listen to you,
sorry. It's cool, dude. I love it so much.
Tyler looks like Ace Ventura.
That's what my moo-moo is.
His moo-moo. His moo-moo milk.
Where's all my Edward?
Shut up, Archie.
What, dude?
I don't know.
Let me wear your glasses. You won't. No balls.
Shut up. There's deodorant on my fucking windowsill.
Show him the scene, Arby's. Get on TV.
Alright, we'll get it on TV. You fucking shut up, dude. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. Tickle me again, I kill you. I just checked that shit a minute ago. My best friend, Dr. Stop, fucker. I'll kill you.
Don't touch my head.
Dude, everybody shut up. Shut up. Shut up. You guys are so loud, dude. My parents are gonna wake up. You're loud. I know. The St. Arby's. Oh my god. St. Arby's. It's bleeding, dude.
There's a crowd.
It says Arby in the fucking...
Stop, fucker.
There's a crowd.
Hey.
It's the only time with Silas.
You know what it is time for, though? A stove.
A cigarette?
A stove.
You want a cigarette, dude?
Yeah, you know. I'm roll on 24s, got my dros. I was like, I'm one for bitches and hoes, you know. It's stove time.
Yeah, you trying to fucking rap right now?
Alright, drop me a beat and I'll rap.
Oh, I'll drop you a fucking beat.
Beast
Shut up, dude.
King Kong.
What the fuck is comm manager? It looks like it says comm. Right,
Archie,
dude.
yo, rap battle right now. What? Rap battle.
Wait, let's get the instrumental, dude. Alright, dude, here we go. Stop and the beat's gonna drop again.
No, it's coming on now, dude. What happened? Alright, ready? Hold on. Yo, yo, yo. Wait, can I talk loud?
A little bit.
Yeah. His name is Archie. He's sitting on the chair. He fucks bitches everywhere. He got with Casey when he was really drunk. Hey, yo, he's a little punk. Fight me, bitch, you're sitting with your glasses. Go downstairs and drink some molasses. I wanna smoke a stove right now. Hit you in the face and you're gonna say, ow! I've got coins on my back, dude.
I got coins on my back.
Coin bad. Oh my God, I'll show you.
King coins in my trunk.
Rich fish.
Oh, rich fish.
Mustard on my fingers.
Yo, no beat stop family.
No,
Ready?
I'll show that in the window.